Hi, I'm Steven and I invented the Brau brewing systems. Today I want to show you our newest addition, which is the fermenter that you see right here, and it's also a uni-tank. You're looking at the 50-liter version, and I've also got a naked 35 liters version here. We're offering them in 100 and 150-liter sizes as well. You can see that this one's all hooked up, and I did a brew on it actually 2 days ago. So it's full of fermenting beer at the moment. So I brewed a hazy the other day, and I did it in the Brau Pro capacity. Now, if you don't know what the Brau Pro is, you should check out a couple of our videos where we brew using the Brau Pro system. So this is going to be an integral piece of that system, and it's also going to be a standalone fermenter. It's got a large 6-inch tri-clamp cap here, and we use tri-clamps instead of a removable lid, just because it's a lot easier to get a good airtight seal with a design such as this, and it's still really easy to get in there, do hop additions, and to clean it. So it's going to be very easy for that. You can see it's got lots of ports on top. There's 3 to be exact about it, and here is the 15 psi pressure gauge. As well, we've got a PRV blow-off. Right now, I don't have the PRV hooked up because, again, it is fermenting beer right now. And during active fermentation, I don't like to use the pressure reducing valve, which is also a vacuum valve. I like to add it once active fermentation is done, and then I start capturing, and I can see the pressure increase. So here is also the blow-off cane. And if you look down there, you can see that it's actively bubbling into a bucket. The SV1 controller is hooked up to our temperature control kit, and I've got a water inlet and a water outlet. And because of the yeast that I'm using, and because I'm doing a hazy, I want to ferment at a slightly warmer temperature. So it's a little bit chilly in the warehouse right now, so I've got warm water coming in. And the warm water is just keeping it at exactly 75 degrees. Now, this is the inlet for the jacket, and this is the outlet, and I'm returning the water back into the sink. Now, you can also hook it up to a glycol chiller. And here's where I've got the temperature probe placed. And because I'm doing a double batch, this 50-liter fermenter is perfect for 40-liter batches, which is 10 gallons. It can also handle 12-gallon batches, no problem. And you can go as small as 5-gallon sizes. A whole bunch of ports are here, and this one is for racking. We've got a 2-inch dump port so that it can handle the most flocculent yeast, and a couple extra ports so that you can add or move temperature sensors or rack from a higher place. As well, I've got a port here, which is a perfect port to put in our brewing elements. So because I use this in the Brau Pro capacity, it's got a brewing element inside. Now, people have asked me in the past, can you use the brewing element to heat the fermenter? And the answer, I would say, is no. That's what the jacket's for. So when you're fermenting, most of the time you're gonna wanna decide, do you wanna heat your fermentation or do you wanna cool your fermentation? And you should generally stick to it. Because this warehouse is a little bit cooler, and because I'm doing this hazy and I wanna warm it up, I've used it in the heating capacity, and the jacket does a perfect job of doing and maintaining that perfect temperature. Finally, we've got the fermenter on adjustable legs. So this is at the lowest setting, but it can go about another foot higher. I like to keep it a little bit lower, just lower center of gravity, but also because I'm brewing with the Brau Pro setup, my mash tun needs to be higher than the fermenter. And okay, so that sums it up for the newest fermenter in our lineup. And no, I haven't come up with a name for it. Hopefully I can do that soon. If you like what you see, please subscribe to the videos, share them with your friends, and if you've got any ideas for videos that I can make for you, I'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.